In manufacturing, every second counts. An error is not just a red warning message. It's lost time, halted production, and mounting pressure. When a machine stops, there's no need to wait. There's no need to stop. With XR Copilot for maintenance, assistance is already on site. Right in front of your eyes. Analyze the issue. Consult the documentation. Follow guided step-by-step procedures. Book a remote assistant or connect in real time with an expert. See what they see. Work together. Resolve the problem immediately. No endless phone calls. No downtime. Just instant support. The expert decides what should be saved in the knowledge base. XR Copilot learns only what is truly useful.